The knocking started after the final notice. Soft at first, like someone being polite. I ignored it, pretended I didn't hear. But every night, it got louder, closer, like it knew I was still inside. I stopped turning on the lights, stopped answering my phone, just sat there in the dark, waiting for it to leave. But it never did. One night, it spoke, not loud, just enough.
Open up, we know you're there.
My chest tightened. I hadn't told anyone. I hadn't said a word. The knocking came again, right behind me, from inside the apartment. I turned slowly and saw the door wide open and something standing in it, holding papers, smiling like it already owned everything.